Sorrel is an easy to grow perennial vegetable. This perennial vegetable and herb is known for its tangy lemon-like flavor, which makes it a great addition to salads, soups, sauces, and more. The red-veined sorrel variety can be also placed in your perennial beds as an ornamental and can be an abundant companion to your berry bushes and fruit trees around your property. Sorrel grows best in a sunny to partially shaded location in well-drained acidic soil. Since the leaves are the desirable part of the plant, ensure you regularly remove flower heads to encourage more foliage production. Dividing every few years is recommended to prevent overcrowding, which is the perfect excuse to start a new crop or share a plant with a friend.